Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be planning in my everyday planner. And I'll be using this washi from Cookie Sticker Co. This is from the Black Parade collection that came out on Black Friday. So I'll be using that. This is my New Year's spread. So I have an array of stickers out. So I wasn't able to find a New Year's Day or New Year's Eve sticker that would work with this. So what I may wind up doing is stamping on a piece of sticker paper and adding that in. So these are the dated inserts from Patreon. They are available to Patreon elites. My Patreon is patreon.com/scrapcraftastic if you're interested. I'm thinking of doing something a little different for the new year, so now's a good time to join. So I'm going to start off with this white washi tape with the gold drip. I don't think I have any other updates to make. I have been working on, let's get this straight. So I have been working on organizing my planning system. It seems like I'm always playing catch up with YouTube and everything else. It's like I always feel like I'm flying by the seat of my pants and just last minute, and I am totally not that person. I'm a stickler for time, but just life keeps interrupting what I want to do. So I'm going to work on that for the new year to try to get ahead a little bit and stop always feeling behind. Also, I wish I knew what her name was now, but I asked a question about what do you actually do when you set up a planner? Because you would think I would know. I mean, I have my idea of what should be done, but no one has ever actually said, well, you should try this, or this. You kind of just, I don't know, get it from somewhere. So from watching other people, maybe, I don't know. So I asked that question in the Facebook group, the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group, and we got some very good detailed answers. It was awesome. So that gives me a better idea of what I want to do. Also, someone mentioned that they make a purpose page for every planner that they use. And I thought that was brilliant. That's what I need. A purpose page in every one of my planners. So just to help keep me on track. So I spent some time yesterday making a list on an old raggedy envelope that I need to separate out and put in each planner. I mean, that is such a good idea. So I'm going to go across this top part here. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but it's just kind of what I felt like needed to be done. And yeah, so I'm going to do purpose pages. That means I have to do them in a variety of sizes, but I guess that's okay. And then I'm also very behind on swatching washi. I started swatching it. Maybe I should have used the little one. So my son is in the other room. If you hear talking in the background, he's doing customer service calls. And it's so weird hearing him do that. But we're having to be very quiet around here while he's working. So I didn't mention it at the beginning of the video, but I'm doing the Scrapcraftastic Weekly Challenge. The theme for this week is Celebrate, and also the new prompts for 2021 are up in the group. Now, Facebook has changed the way you can do events, so I'm going to have to make some adjustments for that, but you can go into the group now and download the PDF or the JPEG of all the prompts for the whole year. And I would like to offer some type of incentive each month for the challenge. I'm gonna have to work on figuring out what that might be. Okay. So I think I can put some more. This is just gonna be a dripping everywhere. This may be overdoing it with the drip. Maybe I'll do the thin drip. Let's do that. Okay, there we go. And then I really didn't want to use the white in the area where the lines are because it's white and you can see through it. So this is going to be a sticker heavy layout right off the bat. I'm going to be using some stickers from the seasonal Wrong from 2018. I haven't really put a dent in this. So I'm going to use this Welcome to the New Year. And I feel like it needs to have something behind it. But I'm just going to put that there. I want to use that Happy New Year, but I won't. I'm going to use this here. Wishing for peace, love, and laughter in the new year. There we go. Then I pulled out this doll from COCO'S Vision. Her name is Mia. And I think she is the little Papa Pink that we're going to have. I don't care for the blue purse in this instance because I don't have blue on this spread, but I'm going to use her anyway. And again, she's huge, taking up a lot of space. I wonder if I cut her off, would that be horrible? Would that be horrible? Let's hold off a bit. And that's crooked. Ugh. You know what? Since it's crooked, let's just put her there to offset that. Let's put some of this confetti down. Okay, then I'm going to put down this sticker from, this is an old sticker book called Calendar from the Paper Studio Agenda 52. It's from 2017, and I'm going to use this Kwanzaa sticker. I also got a question about if I had any Kwanzaa spreads and what exactly that would entail, and I don't think I do specifically. But I may need to make one. I'm going to put this party sticker down. We're not going to have a party, but I'll be having a party in my thoughts. How about that? Oh, here's a Happy New Year. Put that right there. I'm going to use this to do. So I haven't really been using this wrong stuff. And then I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use the pink to kind of offset the pink that we got going on over there. Even though it's somewhat different. Just use this box. Just move this somewhere else. And then I'm gonna put this remember sticker over here, because we'll be reflecting on the past year. And let's move this over to Wednesday. Okay, and I'm also going to be using Simply Lovely from the Happy Planner. This one is 2018. Let's see what I have in here. I had so many stickers that I was wanting to use. Got that. And then this down at the bottom. It seems like it's getting a little bottom heavy and random. I don't know. But these are the stickers that I want to use, so let's get them used. May have to move that down. I think I've gone overboard enough. I told you it was going to be lots of stickers just because I want to use them. So now let's go in and tie this thing together with some more drip washi. These are the baby drips from Cookie Sticker Co. And I do have a code for Cookie Sticker Co. So my code is Rachelle10. You can use that on your orders from Cookie Sticker Co. So, oh wait, I did want to use this sticker. Girl, you better work. This is from Fabulously Creative. Oop. It's ready to jump down on the page. So I'm gonna put, I got so many quotes. I'm gonna put it over here. There we go. Okay. So let's pop these back in. I'm not that thrilled with this, but I think I can make it better. Okay, it's like all the pink is over here. But I tried with what I have. I don't know. It seems like my sticker collection is becoming a little depleted lately. I don't know. It could just be me. So after I popped it in there, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and fill in some of the other stickers that I normally fill in, like the trash. I put Lily there for the saging. You know, you're getting ready for a new year. So and laundry. Lily is from the Jewel Box, and I have a code, Rachelle 15 for them. These smaller little icon stickers are from, I'm gonna put that up here. They are from Made with Southern Love. Let's see. Let's try and get this a little straighter. Okay. Then, I don't know why I didn't do this before, but, oh, these were perfect. Let's get this sticker here. And then some of my Piper Paper Company stickers. Okay, so that's it for real this time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.